again with another video. See it, I got some pork chop on there. You see where I have salt and peppers on it. Yeah, got some green beans to get ready to make. Alright, y'all. I'll be right back. Yes, get ready to throw them on the grill. Alright, y'all, that's what I'm doing now. Got a little pork chop on the grill, a little salt and pepper, a little onion powder, see the way you want. A little olive oil on the joint. Oh yeah. Olive oil. There we go. Yeah, see what I'm doing. Alright, y'all, that's what I'm doing today. Got the pork chop on the grill, y'all. Alright. Alright, stand by. I'll be right back. Showing y'all the way. Alright, got something else on the grill. Got some Betty Crocker, scalloped potatoes and gray meat. Yes. Yes, stand by, man. I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing today on a dinner for the day. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. See what I'm doing? The scalloped potatoes up. Butter, milk, water. Stir it up. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today, y'all. Alright, y'all. Showing y'all what I'm doing today. So, hope y'all go check it out. Try it one day. Yes. Looking good, looking good. Yes. Alright, y'all, that's what I'm doing today. Stir it up a little bit. Oh yeah. I ain't messing around today, y'all. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm just showing y'all the way. So be prepared for that finishes. It's coming soon, so stand by, y'all. Yes. Oh yeah, showing y'all them pork chops, boy. They looking delicious, ain't they? Oh yeah. Don't forget to like, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about this pork chop dinner for the day. Alright, y'all. Here are the end results of the meal for the day. Pork chop dinner, green beans, and scalloped potatoes. Alright, y'all, I took y'all through it. Alright, you know what I gotta do. Taste test. Always gotta do the taste test. Yeah. I don't know. Alright, y'all. That's what I'm doing today. Got to go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all post notifications. Alright. Let's go.